Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Allama Iqbal. Number 1. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Number 2. Today we are here to celebrate Iqbal Day. Number 3. Iqbal Day is celebrated on 9th November every year. Number 4. It is the birth anniversary of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Number 5. He was a great poet, philosopher, and thinker. Number 6. Allama Iqbal was born in Sialkot, Pakistan. Number 7. He received his early education from Sialkot and Lahore. Number 8. Later, he went to England and Germany for higher studies. Number 9. He wrote many inspiring poems in Urdu and Persian. Number 10. His poetry awakened the Muslims of the subcontinent. Number 11. He gave the idea of a separate homeland for Muslims. Number 12. This idea later became the foundation of Pakistan. Number 13. His famous dream was Pakistan, a land of peace and freedom. Number 14. Iqbal's message was of unity, faith, and self respect. Number 15. He taught us to work hard and believe in ourselves. Number 16. His poems like Lab Pe Aati Hai Dua are still loved by everyone. Number 17. Iqbal's thoughts guide our youth toward success. Number 18. We should follow his teachings in our daily life. Number 19. Let's pay tribute to the poet of the East today. Number 20. Thank you and happy Iqbal Day to everyone. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.